Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to cook Jamaican curry goat. Get ready to embark on a culinary journey that will bring the vibrant flavors of the Caribbean right into your kitchen. We'll cover everything from selecting the freshest ingredients to mastering the slow cooking techniques that make this dish so incredibly tender and delicious. By the end, you'll have all the knowledge to prepare an authentic and mouth-watering Jamaican curry goat that will impress everyone. To begin our Jamaican curry goat adventure, selecting the right ingredients is key. You'll want fresh goat meat, cut into manageable pieces, and a good quality Jamaican curry powder. Don't forget the aromatic fresh herbs like thyme and scallions, and a Scotch bonnet pepper for that authentic heat. Marinating the goat overnight with these spices is crucial. It allows the flavors to deeply penetrate the meat, ensuring every bite is bursting with Caribbean goodness. Now, let's get cooking. Start by browning your marinated goat meat in a pot to develop a rich base of flavor. This step is essential for a deep, savory curry. Then, you'll slowly simmer the goat with coconut milk, potatoes, and carrots. Patience is a virtue here. Allowing the curry to cook gently for several hours ensures the meat becomes incredibly tender, practically falling off the bone. Remember to taste and adjust your seasonings as it simmers. Finally, it's time to enjoy the fruits of your labor. Your perfectly cooked Jamaican curry goat is ready to be served. Traditionally, it pairs wonderfully with fluffy rice and peas or warm, soft roti, which is perfect for soaking up all that delicious sauce. Garnish with a sprinkle of fresh cilantro or a tiny slice of Scotch bonnet for an extra touch of freshness and heat. Gather your loved ones and savor this truly authentic and comforting Caribbean meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.